Rex Dickhead here, and I'm out with my lovely Francesca.
Oh yeah, I forgot I have a mic on now. I'm not supposed to talk.
Alright babe, go to Circle K. I gotta get some sex juice up in my fucking sex machine. Alright guys, I've learned from the past. There should be no echo from Franny now. I have her turned way down in my helmet. So, yet again, we're trying another technique of, this time I'm using my Zoom audio recorder, and it's literally tucked between her titties, and then I have a microphone that's just pushed into her helmet with a really good windscreen on it. I'm hoping, I'm not gonna jinx it, but I'm hoping there's gonna be some good shit. At least I'm talking like audio wise. So we almost didn't have her audioed up right now. So oh yeah, I'm sure you guys noticed a big old fucking blue cock hanging off of my bike, and that's my new air horn for the air horn pranks.
Oh
and
shit.
And what's funny is it actually is extremely louder than any air horn I've used in the past. It's so loud that it fucking hurts my ears.
Are you coming over here?
Oh, I thought somebody went there. Can I please do 4 doll hairs on 5? Mm-hmm. What happened? Oh. Thank you. I thought it would give you like a titty boner, but you don't even see anything. It's like a hot mic, like you're catching some drug dealers and you're like the undercover. I should have got $5, then you could have just opened yours and I could have topped you off. Oh shit, how perfect. Look at that. I'm busting the jizz, the bukkake, all the way to the top of the lip. Oh shit. Oh, got a little overspill on the lip hole. Oh yeah. Ooh. So today we're trying an ultra hole in the wall place.
Ow.
Oh yeah, the bumps on the street are fucking like big old bulging dildos hanging out of the cement. First air horn. I love this thing. Dude, this thing's like stupid fucking loud. Like I'm actually gonna, this horn is even like twice as big, so that must mean it's twice as powerful? Sounds like it? Possibly? It could be. Let's see if I can get the bus driver's attention. Ooh, their window's open. Yeah. Let's see.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Ah.
She gave me a polite chuckle where it wasn't funny, but she like made it look like it was, you know what I mean? Like she goes, that wasn't funny at all in the slightest, but... So today we're trying this hole-in-the-wall restaurant called Vicky's. Or no, was it? Oh no, Alice's. And but everything's like a fucking woman's first name. Vicky's, Alice's, fucking Bonquifa's. But this is like an extra hole-in-the-wall place, like an extra small spot, an extra basically... An extra basically full-blown like hole-in-the-wall diner that gives you that like home-cooked experience. So that being said, we're excited to try it. I'm always excited to try little hole-in-the-wall family diners. They're bomb as shit. For the most part, they're bomb as shit. All right, so Franny, her mic is falling out. We don't have it really strapped in there, so I don't think we're gonna have her mic'd up on the way back.
Oh my god. Oh, that fucking scared me.
It's a loud one. It's a loud one. Would you drop your car off here?
Nope.
What you fixing to try to eat?
Try and see if they got French toast. Ooh, what's that? Is that always been there? I just never seen it. That tall building.
That?
Yeah.
That's a tower.
Oh.
Like a radio tower, I think.
Oh.
It's got a bunch of those like radio antennas on the top.
For some reason, it reminded me of like those bell towers. So where is this place?
It's like behind the Inland Center Mall. Kind of. It's on I Street. It's past it. It's like down Inland Center Drive, and it's on I Street. Yeah, the location, you wouldn't even know this exists unless you fucking found it on Google Maps. It's weird. It's really a hole-in-the-wall place, so it's like, it could be good or bad, but it's like literally hundreds and hundreds. It's probably like the hood spot. What? Oh, fuck, bitches like trying to yell at me and shit for that? That shit worked. There it is. Look at this. Would you ever know that existed?
What the fuck?
Oh my god, there's a dope ass dual sport here. Might as well take that front door action, right?
Oh, hell yeah.
That guy's got like an exact dual sport. Like, I would actually buy that thing. That's so cool. Alright guys, I'll give you the synopsis once we're in there.
Ooh, yeah. Look at these potatoes. Oh, they're so soft and good. Tasting all kinds of good. Look at the meat on that bacon. Making you want to suck that shit right out of the zipper. And the steam coming off those hot biscuits like a dirty hot coochie. Oh my god. Oh, that French toast. Oh my god, yeah.
Holy shit, that place was one of the better places I've had. Actually, it was so good that it's one of our new spots now. So Alice's, guys, big fat recommendation. Babe, what's your synopsis? Is it good? Alright guys, I gotta do the old-fashioned route because it was a little too uncomfortable, and I don't blame her to have a big old fucking Zoom dildo in between her titties while she's trying to be mic'd up and the thing keep falling out. So can you see how slow our evolution process is of getting the mic set up perfectly on me?
Right.
I'll go left. Those tower trees are weird. I should put that silencer in your exhaust and see if that makes it a little more tolerable. Because your shit's just obnoxious loud.
Oh my god, man.
Alright guys, you know how my new horn is, right guys? So here's a little test of how loud this air horn is compared to my horn. Watch.
Ow.
Oh god, that's so badass. We might have to turn right because I don't think this is gonna register us.
Jacket, bitch!
Damn it, go in front of me. I want to see what you're doing.
Oh, it's like so retarded loud. It's like the most beautiful thing.
Oh my god, people actually get mad.
Oh, look at her on her cell phone.
That's a little tiny queen.
That was a little queef. Oh, all that shit's out of there. I wonder if they brought the swap meet back. Damn, the toot and tuck, bringing it back. My next victims. He gave me a peace sign. He got scared. Damn, this whole city just smells like a sack of assholes.
It does. Especially like downtown San Bernardino.
That's what I was waiting for right there.
Oh my god!
That's what I was waiting for. She gave me one of those. That was the reaction I was waiting for right there. I got one of those. I got one of those. Who knew an air horn could be so fun? No! I hit a big old bump.
I know, that's why I'm...
Ow! Oh my gosh, I wish you guys had smell-o-vision so you could smell this fucking shit.
Right?
He's flabbergasted. He don't know what to do.
I'm right next to you, wait!
No one gave a shit there.
No. They're used to it, like they don't even flinch for gunshots.
Yeah, we're on baseline. They have an AK fucking full auto next to their eardrum and they'll just be fucking changing their tire and their air pressure. Oh, they were like, what the fuck was that? This is the best $10 I've ever spent.
I tried to fucking cleave it, it wouldn't let me.
Oh no, yeah, it needs to be flat ground. This will just rip your tire up.
Yeah.
Alright guys, it's gonna go ahead and conclude this little air horn video. Just wanted to go out for a bite to eat, give her a little test run. Oh, there's still a lot of fucking air juice left in this bitch. So, oh man, I can't wait. It's just fun. So that being said, thank you guys for watching. All links are really down below, right below that toot and tuck. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the out of that like button. You guys have a queefy good day. I'll see you guys later. Oh, look at that guy right here.
We ain't your average Joe.